My name is Naveita Erusania Oluoch. In the month of January, we went to Gulu to handle a legal matter of a former LRA fighter. Where we spent approximately 3 weeks. On my way, I got some stomach problems, but still I continued taking my beers. Then at around 4, I got a terrible diarrhea. I didn't know what had happened to me, but I learned later that I had got some infections. After like 3 days, they took me to Bethel Healing Center, where they checked my blood and they diagnosed me with malaria plus and typhoid. They treated me. I was admitted and I stayed in Bethel Healing Center for approximately 4 days. Then they discharged me. I went to that Bethel Healing Center on 6th February. When I came back home, I did not get changes. I stayed for a full week. Then the disease worsened. They took me back. And when I reached Bethel Healing Center, the doctor told me that I was remaining with 15 minutes to die because they call it sugar levels. The sugar levels had reached 0. So they gave me the treatment for sugars to raise and so many concoctions as doctors prescribed. And the typhoid had come back. I don't know where I got it again. So they treated me. I stayed there for a full week and they discharged me. After discharging me, I didn't have energy at all. I couldn't walk. I couldn't eat. I could not go for a long call, maybe going for a short call. I had constant headache. I could vomit, but because I had lost appetite, nothing could come out. Then, fortunately, I prefer calling her Bronte, Joyce Bronte. She came, said, "Hey, what is happening?" I said, "I got typhoid, and the doctor said that it cleared, but I'm too weak. The only problem I have is I'm too weak." I had joints, all the joints were painful. The back, wherever there was a joint, I was feeling a lot of pain. I had no energy to walk. I was like a baby. All the time I could simply sleep. In fact, sleep was my hobby. I enjoyed sleep. Then when Joyce looked at me, said, "I don't like even the nature of your skin. Your skin has gone. What is happening?" Then after some time, after 3 days, she came with this here, this small one here. She told me, "You take this thing. It's herbal medicine." After like 4 days, I started gaining energy and my appetite changed. It increased a bit. After 2 weeks of taking this one here, these were the changes. I call them abrupt changes because I had lost a lot of hope. One, I got energy. I could cover myself properly. I started laying my bed. I started eating food, enough food. The joint pains, you people, the whole back was paining. It was just okay. Up to now, I feel okay. The back does not pain. Now, with this first dosage I took, there were other maladies which were on me, but I thought these ones are now normal, which stopped by themselves, and I did not even realize. One, I had constant headache. I don't remember when headache stopped, but I realized, hey, I no longer have headache. Headache had, although I have these glasses here, these glasses had reached a level that if somebody is again too far, it was just a blurred picture. So I needed to buy more glasses, another type of specs such that I can see, because I was not reading anyway. My sight was enhanced, it cleared. You people, I had cough, but I thought that this cough here was just normal because this malaria, whatever, which they had diagnosed. I had the cough, I could cough at night, and it was a bit hot. I said it's because of the weather. I don't remember when the cough stopped. I had no sexual appetite, started feeling that erectile dysfunction after these cannulas, these injections, whatever, they had impaired my erectile functioning. I'm not saying that I'm functioning 100%, but I feel I'm now okay. The issue of energy in my body, those who saw me, I could only walk from my room out to, then back to my room. Now I can walk up to those cottages and I come back without sitting down. So my energy has revitalized. Then she added me that one, this big one here. She added me another, it's called cleanser, some capsules. This one here, the capsules here. These capsules, they are just okay. I take them. I used to take twice this. Now I take it once. During night time, I take the cleanser. What is happening now is that I used not to sweat. You saw me now sweating. I sweat, my body breathes. I think it's coming to 3 days so far, the cleanser. But I expect so many changes. These are the three. These are the three medications I've so far got. They have done a tremendous change to my body. I can now afford running, I can do some simple press-ups, yet a while ago I was going. In fact, it is Joyce who told me that your organs are dying. But me, I didn't know. The organs were going pari passu, slowly by slowly, one after the other. In brief, those are the few miracles I've got from these Nigerian herbs. And I hope I'm going to be fine by the end of the 30 days of cleansing my body. This one is still on. This one is over. I have a very big change with my body. I would like to thank Sila Wellness Services Africa for these good services you brought to my country, specifically Uganda. I know so many Ugandans are going to benefit from these services, and I call upon fellow Ugandans, specifically the academia and the lawyers, because we always find these problems. I was a victim. I didn't know that I'm sick. I didn't know that I had a lot of issues with my body until I fell down and I was resuscitated by the herbal bitters readers. So I pray to my colleagues, the lawyers, if I get time and chance, I'll be talking to you. University lecturers at Kampala International University, if you come and you get access to these products from Sila Wellness Services, you will not regret. We have so many students with so many problems which are seemingly chronic, but they can be sorted out. It's barely a month. I'm now alive and kicking. When I was visibly diminishing because of associated maladies, because of my behavior, overdrinking, not eating, but I'm now okay. Thank you, Sila Wellness. Thank you very much. Heal Uganda, heal the country.